Hi, Beanbeauties. Welcome in, welcome in. Thank you so much for coming back to my Christmas chaos, my MISCmas. Today we are going to have another miscellaneous unboxing. Thank you so much for coming. And it is going to be, actually it's not an unboxing, it is a reveal, and we're going to be doing our advent calendar. So if you're interested, and I hope you are, come on back and let's check it out. We have two things to open up today. One, I have no idea what it is, and the other one is a reveal. So let's do this one first, this little bag. I have no idea what's in here. This was purchased or shipped to me March the 5th, 2025. So I purchased it around there. And, oops. Let's see what's inside. Oh, okay. It has, I wonder where, I guess I wonder, I don't know. Let's see what the card says. It says, thank you for your purchase. Must be from eBay. Let's see. Oh, it's not from eBay. It is from a Facebook group that I'm in. And I have been looking for this for a long time. It says, thank you for your purchase. I hope that you love them. Oh my gosh. Yes, I've been wanting these for a while. These are bag charms. But they're very cute bag charms. At least they were one. And I was remembering when I purchased them. Yes. Oh my gosh, they're bows. Look at this. Okay. Well, you know what? It's Christmas time, so it's a good time to find the bows. These are leather bows, and she hand makes them. And I have no idea how much I paid for each one, so I have no idea. It has the swivel mechanism, so I'm remembering that now. So this is like a maroon wine color. There's that one, and then this one looks like it's in the orange family. Yes. This is in the orange family. And then this one, let's see. It's in pink, so it could be a hot pink. Oh my gosh, I've been looking for these for a long time. It's a small, what had happened is that the package was small, and this one actually fell behind one of the boxes. Look at that. Oh my God, that's such a beautiful pink. So I have this pink one, have this little orange one, and I have this crimson red wine one. Very cute. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay. Oh, I think I'm going to be able to put them on the tree while I'm waiting to use them. Okay. Let's set these over here. That's a great find. A great find. When did I say I got that one? In March? Yeah, it was shipped to me in March. Okay, let's do whoa. All right, let's do the reveal. Here is, and it has a little bit of story time. Here is the Ralph Lauren little tote bag. Isn't she cute? Oh, this bow will go. The bow will go with her, with this. This is one of the ones that doesn't have like a ring. I need to put a ring on it. Or actually the orange one will pop on there too. Very cute, either one. This tote bag, here's the front, here's the side, here's the back, here's the other side, here is the bottom. She does have a zipper closure. I really like these colors. Oh, okay. So this July 17, 2025 is when it was shipped to me. So this came from eBay, and here I got a really good deal on it because she does have a little bit of owies in it. There is a beautiful little label there, and here is what she looks like on the inside. If you'll notice is that down at the very bottom, let's see if you can see. Let me move this. She has a stain down there in the very, very bottom. Looks like maybe a lipstick stain. But the inside is this really pretty cotton lining in it. But other than that, it's really clean. It's really clean. So the reason I got this bag is in the summertime, I had this, I'll put up a picture of the Ralph Lauren bag that I had and the tote bag. It's a bigger than this one. They resemble like the Goyard bags, and I did a trade with Craig from Birkinboy Craig, and we traded bags. And then when I sent him that, he had mentioned that he really liked this bag, and I thought, you know what, let me send it to him. So I gifted that to him in the box because he had mentioned that he liked it. And so then what I did is to replace that bag is I bought this one, because this one is smaller. It's actually in a more of a color palette that I like a little bit more. That one, you know, is a little brown family, and it actually was a beautiful bag, but I like this a lot better, so I grabbed this one for me. I don't remember how much I paid for, but I remember it wasn't that much, and I like the colorway. So this, I think also too, was, when did I say it was? In July. So this was around during that tote extravaganza that I was just going crazy buying totes. So I decided to replace that one with this one, and I'm actually glad I did. I actually definitely would want to use this summer, or maybe I can use this during February, May, around there. But it's a cute bag, and it has that Goyard feel, and Ralph Lauren. It's a Ralph Lauren bag. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, let's head over to our what? Craziness. To our advent calendar. Okay, our advent calendar. It's Build-A-Bear time. We're gonna open up our advent calendar, and we are on day 4, which is over here. Let's see what goodies we have in here. Oh, it's wrapped up in tissue. Ooh, ooh. Okay. So here is the antlers for, that's what we're building right now. So here's the bear. Let's put the antlers on the bear. Let's see if this doesn't feel like it's going to be too hard. Oh, it's a Velcro, so, but I was able to slip it on. There. Okay. I think he has one more thing that he gets, and then we'll probably get the next bear to build, because it's a Build-A-Bear. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, I hope you're enjoying this miscellaneousness. July, that's not too bad. I think the one before this was December. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, love y'all. Thanks for coming in. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.